This video is brought to you by Multiverse Learning. In this video, you will learn about some important early calculating devices in the history of computers. The first one is the Abacus. It was probably the earliest calculating device. It had a wooden frame with beads sliding on wires and was used to perform basic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Even today, it is still in use in many countries of Asia and Africa. It is especially helpful in teaching children about place value and arithmetic operations. It is also used to help blind students learn calculations. Using the abacus is believed to improve concentration and memory skills. Some of the most popular abacuses were developed in China, Japan, and Russia. This laid the foundation for the computers we use today. In 1641, Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline, the first mechanical calculator. It consisted of a rectangular box with movable wheels. It was used for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing numbers up to hundreds and thousands. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage invented a machine called the difference engine to prepare mathematical tables. Charles Babbage also invented the first general-purpose computer known as the Analytical Engine. It had the same basic elements as the modern computer: input, output, and memory devices. Due to his path-breaking contribution to computing, Charles Babbage is called the father of modern computers. Another important invention was Napier's bones. In 1616, Sir John Napier created this device, which had numbers carved on bones or wooden strips. Napier's bones could be used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and even for finding square roots. This invention made calculations faster and easier at that time, and it was an important step toward the development of more advanced calculating machines. These early devices, like the abacus and Napier's bones, laid the foundation for the computers we use today. I hope that you enjoyed this informative video, and don't forget to subscribe.